Darkness descends and lights come on, including in my retirement village. But what's this? It's Christmas time, and residents put on a great display of decorations. Quite psychedelic and hypnotic. Further along in the dark, a garden full of lights. A kiwi flashes in the night. Penguins, but the smaller one on the left is keeping quiet. He or she is probably aware that cats prowl the village at night. A last look at the hypnotic display. But wait, there are some lights with a dark patch that need help. A bit of magic, and that should do.